Good morning, class.
Waalaikumsalam. Good morning, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I am fine, Miss. How about you?
I'm fine, Miss.
I'm fine too. Let's start by praying. Please lead one.
Okay, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Well, before we go to the material, I want to introduce myself. My name is Salsa Djagat. You can call me Miss Salsa. I know your names.
Yes, Miss. My name is Retna Oktapiana.
Yes, nice to meet you, Miss. My name is Rismawati.
Okay, today we will learn about statistics. At the previous meeting, I asked you to study it. Ratna, what do you know about statistics?
Statistic is a second which is a symbol of a file mathematics which discusses scientific method of collecting and binding data, compiling and presenting data to have a valid collection so that the decision taken be accepted.
Good job, Ratna. Yeah. Do you understand what Ratna explained?
Yes, I understand, Miss.
Next, statistics can be divided into two, namely descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics are statistics can be used to describe or analyze a statistical result, but not to make a broader conclusion, generation, or inference. While inferential statistics are statistics used to analyze sample data, and the result will be generalized to in a population in which the sample is drawn. In statistics, there are terms population and sample. What is that?
Miss, I know. Population refers to a group of individuals with distinctive characteristics that are of concern in study or observation, while the sample is a small part of population that is taken according to certain procedure so that it can represent the population.
Type of the data. Based on the type, data is grouped into two types. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is showing the size of object being observed because it's a size. Of course,
Sorry, Miss. What are example quantitative and qualitative?
example for qualitative data. Congestion in Jakarta is affected by poor public transportation service. And second, Beijing is denser and the air is dirtier than Jakarta.
Yes, Miss. Example from quantitative data. Data on the height of SMA Nusa student.
Yes, right. Do you understand, Ratna?
Yes, I do.
Okay, student. The measure of concentration. There are three statistical values that can be owned by the data set that has been obtained, namely the arithmetic mean, median, and mode. The calculated mean or mean of a data set is defined as the sum of all the values divided by the number of observed data points. First, single data median. The median of the single dataset is determined as follows. For many data n is odd, then the median is the average from the datum value 2 and divided 2, and the datum value 2 and divided 2 plus 1, or it can be written like this. Is the value datum 2 half times n plus 1, or it can be written like that. Getting data from the smells. The data after being started. 35, 40, 45, 50, 65, 70, 70, 80, and 90. The number data of there are 9, which mean odd.
Okay, student, do you understand what I have explained?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
Because running time to run out, do you have anything to ask?
No, Miss.
No, miss.
For homework, go to the textbook on page 87 and you learn about median event data.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, miss.
I'm sure you can. Cheer up! See you next week. Wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. See you, miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, Miss.